everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have just a few items I want to show you. I'll go through the order I guess I purchased them in. All right, first up are these cute little booties. I saw Laura from Little Box of Happy get these in her Amazon Prime. They are by Chinese Laundry. They're like a blush pink. I don't know if they're coming across the camera. They basically are beige with this tint of pink, all right? They have the zip sides down here. I have not tried them on yet. They're a faux suede style. And again, they were on Amazon for $50. So when I first saw them on her, I said, I need to get these for myself. They have the square toe. They have the heel I always love. And I was thinking I can wear them with my pink moto, maybe a pink cardigan. I have a pink denim jacket, but these are so, neutral color. They're almost a beige. They were $50. They do have some cushioning in here. I'll try them on, or I'm going to play around with some of the things in my closet, but I have a feeling that these are going back because they're just not going to quite match what I was hoping them to match. I think they're actually going to clash versus coordinate, if that makes sense. I don't necessarily want to spend a ton of money on boots that I can only wear with one moto. I already have a pair of slides that I can wear with two things, but I don't want to have this to be so neutral. It's like I might as well have just worn my beige, So as of right now, I'm leaning towards returning these, but they are pretty. Let me try them on. Let me play around with a few things in my closet. We'll see what we can do. Again, they were $50, so not a bad price, but they are faux suede, but they're a very nice faux suede, okay? All right, so that's the first item from Amazon. The next item, I was at my daughter's school visiting her for Parents Weekend, and we were trying to kill time before dinner, so I dragged my family into Marshall's, and they were getting impatient with me as I was picking through the racks. And I have to tell you, every other Marshall's I've been to is much better than my own Marshall's. My own Marshall's stinks. It's disgusting, it's disorganized, and the extra small section has like 5 tops that look like a bunch of rags. I go to this Marshall's, they had a really nice extra small section. And I found this top that I just thought was so cute. This is by Ellie Tahari, which is a pretty expensive name brand. It is a ribbed sweater that has, it's short sleeve, but it is thick and has some weight to it. And it has like these crochet lace sleeves. The fabric on the sleeves is like a soft, and the whole thing is actually kind of soft. Let me see what this is made out of. I bet you there's some nylon in this. Okay, the material of this is 68% viscose, 32% polyester. And in order to care, this is hand wash or dry clean, okay? And it is just a crew neck style ribbed, and I figured if it didn't fit, I'll just return it because it was only $19.99. I got it my normal extra small. It does look a little narrow, but again, it's that rib stretch. So we'll see how it looks on me. I figured for 20 bucks, what the heck? And I originally passed this up. I'm like, oh, what a nice sweater. I don't need a black sweater. I really don't need a short sleeve black sweater. But I was like, you know what, 20 bucks? This is nice. So I said, I'm gonna be kicking myself if I don't pick this up. So I did, and it came home with me. All right, the next thing that I got, 2 items from Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks. I have been eyeing this and it disappeared, and then when it finally came back, I snagged it. It's a Daniel Rain. It is a little like turtleneck or mock neck that has like lettuce around the neckline, and it has this burnt orange color flowers with dark gray. I saw this and I really liked it. I like the print. I like the dark background. I like the burnt orange. I like the dainty small flowers. We'll try this on and see how it looks. It was $58. It is a sweater, a soft sweater. And it is hand wash cold separately, lay flat to dry, 80% viscose, 20% nylon. All right. So as long as this fits nice, I'm going to keep it. I really do like it. And I think it will go well with some items I have in mind. Again, we'll play the dress up together. We'll see. All right, next thing is a replacement. I had a burnt orange cardigan from Stitch Fix. It was the Jamalaya. I think it was by Pink, P-I-N-Q-U-E. It was 100% acrylic. I really liked it. My friends came down for the weekend. I put on, thinking I'm looking cute, put on the sweater, and my friend says, what's with your sweater? It has all these pulls on it. And sure enough, when I take it off, the whole back of it was like a mess of pulls. I mean, like, it couldn't even be pulled through. There was like so many of them. I'm like, what? What happened. I have no idea what happened. Now, I don't really have that much luck with acrylic to begin with, but I've never actually had that happen to me. So that went into the trash, and I ended up buying this one, which is also 100% acrylic. But I think I have this sweater or something similar to it. It's a market and spruce. It's the whole back detail is crocheted. Again, it's a burnt orange sweater that I just kind of wanted a replacement for. Oh, and both the Daniel Rain and this one, I got my normal size extra small. Now, when I was in Marshall's, I did see some burnt orange sweaters, but they were so long. I'm like, you know what? They're gonna look ridiculous on me. I don't want a really long sweater. So this, again, it's a Stitch Fix exclusive, and it was, because it's market and spruce, and it was $50. All right? So let me do a try on, and let's play dress up together. Okay, first up I have is the Ellie Tahari sweater for 20 bucks from Marshall's, and I just think this is absolutely adorable, totally my style, and for 20 bucks, how can you really go wrong? So here's the back of it, and I styled it with how I would wear it, which are my black mules and a pair of, I guess, lighter wash jeans. These are my mother that I got at the anniversary sale from Nordstrom. Love these jeans, extremely comfortable. I feel they fit me well, at least on my body, I feel they fit me well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this Marshall's find, and I'm glad I didn't pass it up when I was there. For 20 bucks, really, what was the worst I could do? Run across to my Marshall's and return it? Okay, give me a minute, and up next I want to try on that Daniel Rain. Okay, up next I have the Daniel Rain top, and I absolutely love it. This is me, all right? You know, a lot of people don't like the turtlenecks. I like them. I actually prefer a turtleneck or a mock neck like this versus a crew neck. For whatever reason, I feel that crew neck kind of just cuts me off, where the turtleneck, I kind of feel elongates me. I don't know what it is, but I definitely think a turtleneck looks better on me than a crew neck. I just do not like a crew neck. I like a V-neck, I like a turtleneck, but those high crew necks just make me feel frumpy. So anyway, I feel it fits well here under the arms. There's no gaping. I think it fits well everywhere. It's form-fitting without being tight, if that makes sense. I mean, there's some room in here. It's not like glued to my skin, but it's definitely close to the body. I kept on the same jeans. Now the shoes, I could have worn the black shoes, because obviously this has a black background, but I decided to wear my brown clogs because I would pair this with my brown moto jacket, most likely. All right, and I'll pan up so you can get the full look. Okay, so yeah, this is how I envisioned wearing this outfit. So I was pretty excited. I love this moto jacket, and I just love the color of burnt orange, and I even like it with the black together. I think it's very pretty, and really, I can also wear it with the burnt orange cardigan, which is the other item I had purchased. All right, so let's try this on and see how this looks with it. Although I probably wear more than a blouse with this than another sweater on top of a sweater. But as you can see, it pairs nicely with this as well too. I'll step back so you can see this. It has the patch pockets. It comes down to me mid-thigh, which I do not mind. I just didn't want like a full duster length, because a lot of times, although I love dusters on other people, a lot of times, again, because I'm so petite, it looks like I'm playing mommy's dress up. Some of them I can get away with, and some of them not. But I think this length is okay on me. I do like this cardigan. It's soft. It is not itchy, even though it is acrylic. It is a nice acrylic, and hopefully this won't become a mess of pulls like the other one. All right, and the back of it. So yeah, all right, 3 out of 3. All right, let me try the boots on. Those are the only things I'm questioning, and I'm gonna have to see what I can do with what kind of outfits I can come up with. Give me a minute. Okay, everyone, you're gonna have to help me decide on these boots, which I will pan down for you in a minute. So I wanted to point out, and I'll show these to you guys side by side. I do have tan boots. They're a Western style, all right, but they're tan, definitely not mauve or pink. Like, I'll show you the side by side and how they look. I have a pair of taupe ones, okay? They have like the almond toe, so they're kind of like a little bit dated, and again, a clunkier heel, all right? I also have these ivory ones, okay? Love these, nothing wrong with them, pointed toe. And I also have these gray ones, all right? They're pointed toe, stiletto heel, nothing wrong with these, like these too. The question is, can I justify these pink ones? Do these boots differentiate enough from these and make the outfit? All right, so I have several items I want to try on with this, and you tell me, one, whether or not the boots go with it, or two, is it, you know, does it make the outfit, or one of these would look just as fine? If one of these would look just as fine, then these go back. They have to be making the outfit, all right? So I do like these boots, like them a lot, square toe. So let me pan down so you can actually see them, okay? And I will come closer with them too, so you can actually see them. So I'll show you guys side by side. So here's the gray, okay? And you know what, let me take them off too, so you can see, actually see. All right, so here's the pink, here's the gray, and you can see they're two different shades and obviously two different kind of style boots. This is a square toe, pointed toe, different color, etc. So this is the pink to go with the pink top, barely pink. This is the ivory, all right? This is the taupe. And then this is the tan. All right, and I'm still trying to decide whether or not do I need these pink boots? Do these pink boots go with enough of what I own, and does it make the outfit? So let me pan down so you can see the boots in this outfit. What do you think? Will the other boots suffice, or is this good? All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna pop on the next outfit to see if I have enough to match something with these boots. Give me a minute. Okay, you knew this moto was gonna come out and make a showing because I love this moto. The problem is I like to coordinate my shoes typically with my tops, and you know, I can wear ivory or gray with this, but I was hoping these shoes would like bring it all together. Now I do have a pair of shoes that match this jacket perfectly. They're a pair of BP slides from Nordstrom that Laura actually got first and told me that they matched with the jacket, so I snatched them during the anniversary sale. I love them, but they're open toe, they're slide. And yeah, I'm in New Jersey, I'm gonna be freezing. I need boots for the winter. So let me pan down. These don't match really exactly, but you let me know. Would you wear these boots with this jacket? Or are they just like too far off of a color? And would you think one of the other boots, you know, the ivory maybe, the taupe, the gray, or even the tan might be better with this jacket? All right, or do you like these pink boots with them? I'm debating. Do I need this color boot or not? What are your thoughts? Comfortable, cute, but are they completing a look for me? All right, give me a minute and I got some other ideas. Okay, up next is this pink bomber, or actually it's not a pink bomber, it's an ivory bomber, off-white bomber that has a lot of pink and a lot of different colors in it. So I'll come close so you can see all the different colors that are running through this, like a tweed pattern. But I choose to wear a pink top with it. I think the pink looks best. And I'm debating, would the ivory shoes do better with this, or do we like the pink? Do the pink boots make this outfit? Or am I better off just pairing ivory with them? You think that might be a better look, all right? Yeah, I'm trying to decide, again, whether or not these shoes go with enough of what I own and really complete a look, all right? With this, I also have this little cardigan. This came as a matching set from Nordstrom, all right? I'm gonna put on the cardigan, which is quite wrinkly, to be honest with you. And you tell me, do these go with the boots? Do I keep these boots because they match my outfits and complete a look, or do I send them back because I can have something else that will be just as nice? If they're unique enough and you think they go with enough and complete a look, I'm going to keep them. They're $50. It's not a bad price at all. All right, give me a minute. I'll come up with some other outfits. Okay, this one I'm even less convinced that it goes great with. But to be honest with you, I'm not sure if any of my other boots are even a better option. So this is a bright bubblegum pink top. I'll get a little bit closer so you can see. I got this from Nordstrom. I think it was on sale through a trunk club. And you can't see my shoes now. I step away, you can't see my shoes. Okay, so I don't necessarily think that these look the greatest with this top, but I'm not so sure I have a better option for them. Okay, so what do you think? Bright bubblegum pink, light blush boots. What boots would you wear with this if you were to wear this in the wintertime? All right, one more outfit idea, and you let me know if I need these boots. Give me a minute. Okay, I think this outfit probably goes the best with the boots because the top is a blush pink. All right, now whether or not I can use another pair of boots and they would look equally as nice is the question I have. Or do you think it's worth it to keep these boots because they make any of these outfits? Like, wow, you need those boots. They go great with whatever outfit. You let me know. I can definitely see, obviously, different ways to style these boots. So it's not like I don't have anything to wear with them. It's just whether or not they are really making a stand out and make a look complete versus any of the current boots I have. So let me know what your thoughts are. Which was your favorite outfit? Do you think I should keep these boots? Again, they're very comfortable. They're $50. They're Chinese laundry and from Amazon. And I'll give you the links below of all the items. You cannot, if you're not a Stitch Fix box customer currently, you're not able to do Shop Your Looks anymore. They put that behind the wall just for box subscribers just recently. I happened to run into a news article on that. But if you are a Stitch Fix subscriber and you want to add those to your freestyle cart, I'll put the links below. Let me know your thoughts, and thank you for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support, and if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I do shopping hauls, try-ons, unboxings. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Take care. Till next time.